In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to make everything bigger in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, proceed here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together. In that way or manner, you'd be able to bring up the settings window. Here at the settings, directly proceed to the left pane and find for the option which is called the system. Click on it. And here at the system, you need to proceed to the display. Click on that one. Once you click on it, you'd be able to see this section, which is scale and layout. There you can find scale. So click on this down arrow key. And if you'd like to make everything bigger, just set it in 250%. And that way you'd be able to make everything bigger. So just like this. You would be able to set the scale into 150% and everything would be bigger, including the taskbar, including the icons or the applications that are being pinned, including your search bar, and including all of the list of the options here in your Windows 11. Okay? Now that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you and have a good day, everyone.